Can you solve all these Class 10 Science Chapter 16 Management of Natural Resources questions? What is fee of water?
Excellent choice. Sen is right. Choose odd one out. Right choice. Diesel, kerosene, petrol is best.
Polluted water causes.
Good thinking. All of these is right. What are the 3 R's? Nicely done. Reduce, reuse, recycle is solid.
Find the mismatched pair.
Correct response. Cotton tanks. Dismissed Jammu region is accurate.
Glaciers are a source of.
Bravo. Water is the answer.
What are coliform bacteria?
On track. All of these is correct.
Loss of biodiversity causes.
Great job. Ecological instability is accurate. Ganga Action Plan started by.
Well reasoned. 1985 is correct.
Most plastic is made from oil. Nice selection. True is correct. Select the biodiversity hotspot.
Good job. Forest works well.
A resource not easily replaced. Sharp thinking. Non-renewable is right. Cars are powered by natural gas. Excellent. False is well reasoned.
Large variety of living organism.
Clear logic. Biodiversity is sound. Which is a non-renewable resource? Nice work. All fits perfectly. Where is coliform bacteria present? Great thinking. Intestine is right.
Where did the Chipko movement begin?
Smart pick. Rana Gulal is correct. Which resources do we get from Earth? Perfect. Food, clothes, toys, furniture is the one.
How can you prevent the soil erosion?
You're right. Afforestation is correct.
Electricity produced by moving water.
Well done. Hydroelectric is right.
Example of biodiversity hotspot are.
Well picked. All of the above is correct. Which of the following can be recycled? You got it. All fits. Water pollution measurement is made by. Exactly. All the of makes sense. Deforestation may reduce the chances of. Correct. Rainfall is spot on.
In Himachal Pradesh irrigation canals are.
Strong choice. Coals is right.
Which of the following is greenhouse gas?
Right again. Carbon dioxide is valid. Resources that can be replaced or restored. Smart move. Renewable is accurate answer. The concept of sustainable development has. Valid point. All of these is true.
Presence of coliform bacteria in water shows. Solid response. Contamination of water is valid.
In which year Ganga Action Plan was launched? You chose 1985, correct? Any useful material that is found in nature? Sharp thinking. Natural resource is right. What are considered as biodiversity hotspots? Good job. Forests works well.
What do the industrialists get from the forest?
You got it. Tall long fits. What is an example of non-renewable resources?
Right choice. Coal, petroleum is best.
Ganga Action Plan was a multi-crore project too?
Right again? All of these is valid.
Which of the following are renewable resources?
Nicely done. Water and forests is solid.
Amrita Devi Bishnoi National Award is given for.
Correct response. Wildlife conservation is accurate.
What do the Forest Department get from the forest?
Solid response. Monoculture of forest is valid.
Which of the following is not a natural resource?
Exactly. Electricity makes sense.
Resources need to be managed carefully because of.
Great thinking. All of the above is right.
Sardar Sarovar Dam is constructed on which river?
Correct. Narmada is spot on.
Khadin is a traditional water harvesting system in.
Nice work. Rajasthan fits perfectly.
Which of these is assumed as hotspot of biodiversity?
Well picked. Forest is correct.
Which of the following is not a reason for acid rain?
You chose carbon dioxide.
Correct. Which of the following is non-renewable energy resource?
Strong choice. Coal is right.
Which of the following is not an effect of deforestation?
Nice selection. Higher groundwater level is correct.
In intestinal tract, which bacteria is found in human being?
On track. Coliform bacteria is correct.
Which fossil fuel is conserved when we save on electricity?
Valid point. Fuel coal is true.
From which district of Rajasthan did Chipko movement begins?
Well reasoned. Garhwal is correct.
Which cities had highest concentration of coliform bacteria?
Excellent. All of these is well reasoned.
The most rapidly dwindling natural resource in the world is...
Smart move. Forests is accurate answer.
Choose which of the following is not fared far to save environment.
Excellent choice. Renew is right.
The way we consume these renewable resources, it affects their.
Good thinking. Availability is right.
Choose which of the following natural resource is odd one out.
You're right. Sun is correct.
Materials in nature that sustain life or can be used by humans.
Well done. Natural resources is right. Complete this list. Wind, solar power, hydropower, biomass, dash.
Smart pick. Geothermal is correct. Nadis, Tals and Aris are some structures used for dash in India.
Clear logic. Water harvesting is sound.
Choose the option which dominates the Arabari forests of Bengal.
Bravo, cell is the answer.
Energy is required for recycle, hence we should consider about dash.
Great job. Reuse is accurate.
Which of the following is used as a fuel in thermal power stations?
Perfect. Coal is the one.
The sources which can be used instead of fossil fuels are called dash.
Strong choice. Alternative sources is right.
Which of the following is a reason for displacement of tribal people? On track. Construction of dam is correct.
The practice of growing and cultivating of trees of forest is known as
Smart move. Silviculture is accurate answer.
From the list given below, pick the item that is not a natural resource.
You got it. Electricity fits.
What do we call the variety of plants and animals in a particular area?
Right again. Biodiversity is valid.
Plants, water, solar energy are all examples of what kind of resources?
Well done. Renewable is right.
Which source of energy has benefited from the improvement in technology?
Exactly. Wind energy makes sense.
Name the bacteria whose presence in water indicate contamination of water.
Sharp thinking. Coliform is right.
Which of the following is used by local people to protect water resources?
Good job. All of these works well.
An area with great variety of living organism and endemic species is called
Smart pick. Hotspot is correct.
natural resources that are used up at a rate faster than they can be replaced.
Clear logic. Non-renewable resource is sound.
The practice of using used materials without changing their shape and form is
Good thinking. Reuse is right.
the presence of following kind of bacteria in water indicates contamination is
Well picked. Coliform is correct.
the three areas that will help us to conserve natural resources for long-term use are
Excellent choice. Reuse, reduce, recreation is right.
Which of the following is an age-old concept of water harvesting system in Rajasthan?
You're right. Cardenas is correct.
A pattern of resource use that aims to meet human needs while preserving the environment.
Nice work. Sustainable development fits perfectly.
Which of the following option shows the 3 R's to conserve natural resources for long-term use?
Valid point. Reduce, recycle, reuse is true.
which of the following means of transportation uses a renewable resource for its energy source?
Perfect. Solar-powered car is the one.
Which of the following phage range is most suitable for life of plants and animals living in water?
6575 is
As we are moving very fast in the direction of progress, what we are doing with natural resources.
nice selection. Exploitation is correct.
Choose the incorrect option with respect to water harvesting methods and the state in which it is used.
Excellent. Tunnels Karnataka is well reasoned.
Which of the following community in Rajasthan has a religious tenet of conservation of forest and wildlife?
Correct response. Bishnoi is accurate.
Kadins, Bandisahars and Katas are ancient structures. Which of the following purpose they are used for?
Correct. Water harvesting is spot on.
Stakeholders of various forest product are 1. People living near forest 2. Urban people 3. Forest Department 4. Wildlife.
You chose 1 and 3, correct?
In our country, vast tracts of forests are cleared and a single species of plant is cultivated. This practice promotes
Great thinking. Monoculture in area is right.
Because of deforestation, the fertile layer of soil flows away with rainwater or flies away with wind. This is called dash. Solid response. Soil erosion is valid. What is trash on the ground called? Well reasoned. Litter is correct. Natural gas is a dash energy resource. Great job. Non-renewable is accurate. Occurs when animal species ceases to exist. Nicely done. Extinction is solid. Occurs when trees are clear-cut for human uses. Right choice. Deforestation is best. These are examples of non-renewable resources. You're right. Coal oil, natural gas is correct. What word most nearly means? To process materials such as paper, plastic, aluminum, steel, and glass so they can be used to make new items. Well picked. Recycle is correct. To dash means to use a smaller quantity. Sharp thinking. Reduce is right. Because of deforestation, the amount of carbon dioxide in nature is not in control, hence temperature of Earth is increasing. This is called dash. Excellent choice. Global warming is right. A fuel, such as coal, oil, or natural gas, formed in the geological past from the decayed remains of ancient organisms, such as plants and animals. Excellent. Fossil fuels is well reasoned. The given picture of people's participation depicts a dash. Nice selection. Chipko movement is correct. A farmer decides that he is going to produce his own energy on the farm by using a type of renewable energy. The renewable energy could come from dash. Good thinking. Setting up wind turbines is right. To use wisely, without waste, and protect from destruction is to dash. Well done. Conserve is right. Radka and her friends used to go to college on different bikes. Then they decided to go by auto or by bus. By doing so, they dash the use of natural resources like petrol. Strong choice. Reduced is right. To process materials, such as paper or plastic, so they can make new items is to dash. You got it? Recycle fits. Dash is the protection, preservation, management, or restoration of natural resources. Correct response. Conservation is accurate.
Natural resources that are used up at a rate faster than they can be replaced are called dash.
Smart move. Non-renewable resources is accurate answer.
Teacher asked Pooja to give a method which can be utilized to maintain the groundwater level and can be performed by every individual family. Which of the following must be the answer of Pooja?
Great thinking. Rainwater harvesting is right. To control land, water, soil, plants and animals, with a particular focus on how management affects the quality of life for both present and future generations. Solid response. Natural resource management is valid. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Exactly. Contact Narayan Changdar on Facebook makes sense.